Installation video for 24 modern flush mount ceiling fan with light. Check with the list of accessories in the manual to make sure they are complete. Let's start. Disconnect the power supply by turning off the circuit breaker. Remove the ceiling-mounted tray from the motor housing. Choose suitable installation method according to your ceiling type. Remove any existing bracket. Use 4 screws to secure provided addlon ceiling-mounted tray. Position the frame properly into the slots, making sure it is aligned perfectly. Repeat the above steps for the remaining 3 parts. Align the 4 blade parts with the holes on the base and insert them until a click is heard. Insert the fan blade into the center rod, making sure it is locked into the slot. Place the fixing cap over the fan blade, then rotate it counterclockwise until fully tightened. Install the hook and hang the fan body on it for support. Warning: wiring must be in local and national electric code, NEC, standards and ANSI/FP70. If you are unfamiliar with wiring or in doubt, consult a qualified electrician. White wire. Connect to the neutral. Black wire. Connect to the live. Align the slot on the motor housing with the slot on the ceiling-mounted tray, then rotate to lock it securely. Light on. Raise the color temperature. Lower the color temperature. Light dimmer. Light brighter. Wind speed level 1. Reverse. The fan will take some time to slowly stop before starting to reverse.